Welcome to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to display seconds in taskbar clock in Windows 11. For instance, you can see on my taskbar, seconds are visible. If you want to enable seconds in on Windows 11, you can do it through several methods. First one is settings app, second one is registry editor, and last one is you can use through third party freeware software. I will leave the link. You can use any of the method. I will describe only two methods here. So let me start. First one is settings app. For that, press Windows plus I on the keyboard. This will open Windows 11 settings on your PC. Then select here personalization option. Then scroll down on the right and click on this one taskbar option. Again scroll down to the bottom and click on this one taskbar behaviors. Again scroll down to the bottom and you will see here show seconds in system tray clock. If you will uncheck this option, seconds will disappear, and if you select this option, then seconds will appear on your taskbar. Next one method is through Registry Editor. For that, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here type regedit and press enter or click OK to open Registry Editor on your PC. Here you need to navigate to this one path. For that, you can copy and paste this one path that you will find in this video description. This will take you up to advanced folder or key in the left side. On the right, you will see show seconds in system clock. In case this one debug value does not exist, right click on this one advanced key, select here new, and then debug 32-bit value and rename it as show seconds in system clock. Once you see show seconds in system clock, double click on this one. Here if you will put value data as 0, then it will not display seconds in your taskbar clock. In case you put the value 1 and click OK, then you will see Windows 11 will display seconds on your taskbar clock immediately. Without any restart, you can show seconds in taskbar clock. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.